Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Jayashuda. I am dealing with art and craft. In this session, I will show you a peacock. How to draw peacock with simple techniques. Shall we draw the picture? First, we have to draw one small circle and another oval shape, like egg shape. Here, I am joining this line with a curved line from head to bottom, body. Here, draw one half curve for a wing. Half curve. I am ending this curve like this. Here we have to draw half curves like this for feathers. From here, middle of the body, I'm drawing here one curved line like this. And here downside of the peacock body, draw like this. This is all for feather of peacock. And here draw two U shapes, one U shape and another half U shape. Here I am drawing legs for peacock. Draw legs like this. Here draw two curves for eye and draw V shape for beak of the peacock and draw one small line in middle. Draw lines like this and just circle this. Here draw all oval shapes for peacock feathers, eyes. Draw again one more circle inside of the oval shape. And again draw heart symbol. Now draw like this lines. Just draw like this lines. It will look like feathers. Okay, here I am drawing one trunk. On this trunk, this peacock is standing on this trunk. Okay, now rub this all excess parts. Here's line and here. Now do shade for trunk like this. Okay, children, peacock drawing is completed. I hope you understand. Thank you.